Hey, it's me, Goku! Here are some of the best at-home workouts! We need workouts that train every part of the body. So let's get into it! Let's start with the chest! The best chest workouts are push-ups! Do 4 sets until failure, and in between each set, take a 2-minute rest! Next muscle is the tricep. If you don't have a dumbbell, do time on push-ups and tricep dips. Sit on the edge of a weight bench or chair. Bend your arms, lowering your elbows to about a 90-degree angle, and then pause. Slowly lift yourself back up to the starting position by straightening your arms. Next is the biceps. For these, you are going to need a dumbbell or a pull-up bar. With the dumbbells, there are many different types of curls you could do. With the pull-up bar, do chin-ups. Grab the pull-up bar with both arms and keep a 3-inch distance between hands. Then pull up and make sure your chin goes over the bar. For the back, you need a pull-up bar. Grip widely and get your chin over the bar. These are really hard to do. You can use a band to assist you. They are still too hard rows. For shoulders, do shoulder press with a dumbbell. And finally, for the legs, do squats. Use a backpack and fill it up with textbooks or other things to add weight. I highly recommend getting a gym membership though. There are some very cheap deals starting at $10 a month. It is very worth it. See ya.